This is Fairhaven Farm, a diverse vegetable farm that me and my wife run. I'm John Beaton.
I'm Emily.
Last year we were able to construct a wood-fired oven. It's amazing to make the dough and bring it all together, and it's just this really magical process of taking all these raw ingredients and coming out with this beautiful loaf of bread. So our flour we source from a farmer down in southern Minnesota. As compared to just flipping a switch and turning the oven on, this we have to preheat for about 4 hours to get it up to the right temperature. We can fit about 21 loaves of bread at one time in the chamber and bake about 20 loaves of bread at once. We can feed a small village with this oven.
Perfect.
The Slice from WDSE WRPT. Funding for The Slice is brought to you by the Arts and Cultural Heritage Fund and the citizens of Minnesota.